Good morning everybody, myself Sanjay Sarvodaya from Standard 6. Today I am going to teach you about the body movement. What is a movement? A movement is the change in the position of a body part with respect to our whole body. There are three systems of our body which help us in the body movements. They are the skeletal system, nervous system and the muscular system. Out of this today we are going to learn about the skeletal system. All the bones in our body form a framework called the skeleton. The skeletal system consists of the bones, joints and the cartilage. The bones. The total number of bones in our body is 206 bones. The joints. The joints are the structures that connect two or more parts of our body. Example, the elbow joints. These are the elbow joints. The joints also help us to perform the several activities such as the walking, bending, running, etc. There are two types of joints, the movable joints and the fixed joints. The joints that move are known as the movable joint. There are three types of movable joints, the ball and socket joint, pivot joint and the hinge joint. Ball and socket joint. The ball and socket joint is like the pestle and the mortar. It is present in the shoulder and the hip. Can you see this? This is a ball and this is a socket. The ball is fixed in the socket. The pivot joint. The pivot joint is like the gear lever. It is present in our neck so that we can move our neck front, back, right and left in all directions. The hinge joint. The hinge joint is like the hinge of a door. It is present in our elbow, knees, etc. The fixed joints. The fixed joints are the joints that do not move. Example, the skull. The cartilage. Can you see this blue part? It is known as the cartilage. The firm and flexible structure is known as the cartilage. It not only provides support but also allows a little movement. The types of skeletal system. There are two types of skeletal system, the endoskeleton and the exoskeleton. The internal skeleton is known as the endoskeleton. Example, the human, birds, fish, etc. The exoskeleton. The external skeleton is known as the exoskeleton. Example, snail. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Markutri. I am studying in 6th standard at Sarvodaya VIvek Jeevan Vidya Public School, Gadhinglaj. She is a very bold lady. We can learn a lot of things from her. She is a polite person who can handle any kind of situation in a very proactive way. She cooks very well and she prepares delicious food whenever we go to our native place. Guess who is she? Yes, she is our grandma. Every one of us has an old lady with us. She is our grandma. I love and respect my grandma very much. To show her heartfelt gratitude, I am going to narrate a short poem in front of you all. Written by myself, Miss Aditya. Granny always held my heart. Right from the very start, her arms were open wide. She had the safest place to hide. Inside my granny's hug, I was safe and snug. Granny's love appeared, then the trouble disappeared. Granny made me happy when I was unhappy. Granny wiped my tears and chased away my all fears. My granny is old, but she is pure gold. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vinay Mane from Standard 6. My school name is Sarvodaya VIvek Jeevan Vidya Public School. Today we are going to learn about unitary method. Unitary method is a technique of solving the problem by first finding the value of a single unit and the value of a required number. In simple terms, unitary method is to find out the value of a single unit by a given multiple. From cost of many to cost of one, we divide. From cost of one to cost of required number, we multiply. Many to one to required number. So, let us take an example. Here are 6 books cost 780 rupees. But I want to take only 4 books. What will be the cost of 4 books? Let us find out. So we have to find the value of one book. Cost of one book is equal to cost of 6 books divided by total number of books. Here we divide 780 by 6. We get answer as 130. Cost of one book is equal to 130 rupees. Cost of 4 books is equal to cost of one book multiplied by number of books. Here we multiply 130 by 4. We get answer as 520. Therefore, cost of 4 books is equal to 520 rupees. So, let us take an example. Here are 8 pencil box cost as 80 rupees. But I want to take only 5 pencil box. What will be the cost of it? So, first we have to find the value of one pencil box. Cost of total pencil box is divided by number of pencil box. Here we divide 80 divided by 8. We get answer as 10. Therefore, cost of one pencil box is equal to 10 rupees. Cost of 5 pencil box is equal to cost of 1 pencil box multiplied by number of pencil box. Here we multiply 10 multiplied by 5. We get answer as 50. Therefore, cost of 5 pencil box is equal to 50 rupees. Thank you.
सुप्रभात. मी स्नेहल सुनील कुंभार, इयत्ता 7वी. दरवर्षी 7वीचे विद्यार्थी सावित्रीबाई फुले जयंती साजरी करतात. पण यावर्षी कोरोनामुळे आम्ही सावित्रीबाई फुले जयंती साजरी करू शकलो नाही. पण आम्ही व्हिडिओद्वारे 3-4 शब्द बोलणार आहे. सावित्रीबाई फुले या शिक्षिका, कवयित्री व समाजसुधारिका होत्या. त्यांनी एशिया खंडातील पहिली मुलींची शाळा चालू केली. मी आता तुम्हाला एक गाणे म्हणून दाखवणार आहे. माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते, माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते. मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते, माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते. मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. उद्देश एकच की तुम्हा मिळावे ज्ञान, उद्देश एकच की तुम्हा मिळावे ज्ञान. सर्व महिला वर्गाचा व्हावा सन्मान, सर्व महिला वर्गाचा व्हावा सन्मान. एका स्त्रीचे दुःख स्त्रीला चांगलंच कळते, एका स्त्रीचे दुःख स्त्रीला चांगलंच कळते. मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. स्त्रीचा आहे या अखिल विश्वाची शान, स्त्रीचा आहे या अखिल विश्वाची शान. सर्वांनीच राखावा तिचा मान सन्मान, सर्वांनीच राखावा तिचा मान सन्मान. तिच्या पायी संसारी सुख वैभव मिळते, तिच्या पायी संसारी सुख वैभव मिळते. मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते, माझ्या मनाची भावना मीच बोलते. मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार, मैं जोशुआ औचित्य आज आपके सामने एक कहानी पेश करने वाला हूँ जिसका नाम है राजा और मंजरी का प्रेम. एक दिन एक बहुत वैभवशाली, ताकतवर और बुद्धिमान राजा होता है जिसका एक खास मंत्री होता है। उन दोनों का एक आपस में बहुत प्रेम होता है। तो एक दिन राजा और मंत्री दोनों वन में जाते हैं घूमने के लिए। तो जाते जाते बहुत समय निकलने के बाद उनको बहुत भूख लगती है और फिर दोनों खाने की तलाश में यहाँ वहाँ भटकते रहते हैं। और फिर जाते जाते उनको एक पेड़ दिखता है। उस पेड़ में एक फल होता है, तो खुशी खुशी वो फल तोड़ते हैं और उसके 4 भाग करते और आपस में बांट लेते हैं। तो मंत्री जी को भूख लगी थी, इसलिए मंत्री जी ने वो जल्दी जल्दी से खा लिया। और खाने के बाद राजा जी के पास फिर से गुजारिश की कि आपके पास जो 2 फल के भाग है उसमें से एक मुझे दे दीजिए। तो फिर राजा जी को मंत्री पर बहुत प्रेम था, इसलिए राजा जी ने वो खुशी खुशी दे दिया। तो फिर वापस से मंत्री जी ने खा के फिर से वापस से गुजारिश की कि वो जो आखिरी आपका फल का भाग है वो दे दीजिए। फिर राजा ने गुस्से से मंत्री जी को कहा कि जाओ, मैं नहीं देने वाला। और फिर उन्होंने पूरा एक ही बार में खा लिया। तो मुंह में डालने के बाद वो फल इतना कड़वा था कि वो मुंह में डालते ही डालते राजा जी ने थूक दिया। और फिर मंत्री जी ने बड़े प्रेम से और शांति से राजा जी को कहा कि कड़वा फल जिसकी कड़वाहट आपके मुंह में ना जाए, आपके मीठे मुंह में ना जाए, इसलिए मैं वो खा रहा था। और ये था हमारे कहानी का अंत।
Myself Atharva Sanjay Patil from class 7. So, today we are going to learn about symbols of electric component. So let's start. First we will see a cell. This is a cell. We all know that a cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. We will see now. Now we will see the diagram. The long but thin line is positive terminal, but the short and thick line is negative terminal. Now we will move on to second symbol. This is bulb. This diagram is very simple. It's only W written upside down and enclosed in a circle. Now we will move on to next diagram. This is a battery. We all know that a battery is pair of 2 or more cells. So this is positive terminal and negative terminal of first cell, and this is positive and negative terminal of second cell. Now we will move on to next diagram. Wire. Wire is very simple. It's just a straight line. We all know that a wire contains a rubber tube outside and inside copper wire. Now let's move on to another diagram. Now we will learn on switch and off switch. We have 2 dots and 1 line. If the line is connected to first dot and also connected to second dot, then the switch is on. And now we will see off switch. And if the line is connected to first dot but not connected to second dot, then the switch is off. Now I will show you original cell, bulb, battery, wire, switch. So this is a switch. This is a cell. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Now I will show you a bulb. So this is a bulb. It has filament inside it, which is made up of tungsten. Now I will show you a battery. Battery is 2 or more pair. Battery is a pair of 2 or more cells. So this is 4 cell battery. Now I will show you a wire. This is a wire. It contains rubber tube and inside it has copper wire. Now let us see a switch. This is switch which we will buy from market. This is switch on and this is switch off.
Hello friends, myself Manmay Kulkarni studying in standard 8. Today I am going to talk on figures of speech. Figures of speech means ornament of a particular language which makes the language very beautiful. So today we are going to learn 2 figures of speech, that is simile and metaphor. We will go first to simile. Simile means direct comparison between the sentence. We will take first example as this pillow is as soft as a cloud. Means the pillow is compared to a cloud because it is too soft. We will go on to next example. Her heart is like gold. Means her heart is compared to gold because it is nice. Next example. Riya's life is as transparent as an open book. Riya's life is compared to a open book because it is transparent, means everybody knows her everything what is going on in her life. Now we will go on to metaphor. Metaphor means indirect comparison between the sentence. We will take for example as Sammy lives on a different planet. Can anybody live on a different planet? No. So they are comparing that Sammy lives far away from them. Next example. The box is an elephant. Can a box be an elephant? No. So box is compared to an elephant because it is too heavy. Next example. John is a dictionary. John is compared to a dictionary because he has many vocabulary words. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ishke Sachin. Come respect all teachers, parents and friends. You know that the moon is the brightest object in the sky. Many of the poets and nature lovers loves to watch moon in the night sky. The various shapes of the moon which are being seen in the night sky are called phases of the moon. The phases of the moon are new moon. When moon is between the earth and sun, the side that is lit which is been facing towards the sun. Many of the times new moon is not being seen. Next is waxing crescent moon. The moon travels in the east and after a few days it is seen in the crescent part of the moon, which is called waxing crescent moon. Next is first quarter moon. This term is used to describe a waxing moon which is being exactly a half part of the moon, which is called first quarter moon. Next is waxing gibbous moon. When a large portion of the moon becomes illuminated, it is called waxing gibbous moon. Next is full moon. At a full moon, the moon's face is completely bright, and we see an entire moon in the sky, which is called full moon. Next is waning gibbous moon. The light on moon begins to grow thinner, and we once again see a gibbous shaped moon. Next is third quarter moon. Third quarter moon phase is where the moon is once again half. However, this time left side of the moon is illuminated than the right side. Next is waxing crescent moon. The last part of the lunar cycle is called waning crescent moon. Thank you.
My name is Sumit Sudha. I will study in Standard 8. My school name is Sarvodaya VIvek Jeevan Vidya Public School. Today I am going to teach you about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variable and constant connected by the signs of fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Each called algebraic expression. Now in this we will learn about what is algebraic expression. Next we will learn about Now I have written here algebraic expression. Now we want to find what is coefficient. Phi is the coefficient. What is x? X is a variable. What is minus? Minus sign is a term. What is 3? 3 is the constant. So phi is the coefficient, x is the variable, minus sign is term and 3 is the constant. Now
Now I'll write here example. Now we want to find coefficient, variable, constant and term. What is coefficient? Coefficient is 2. What is variable? Variable is a x. What is term? Term is a minus sign. What is constant? Constant is 3. Now I will teach algebraic expression, coefficient, variable, term and constant. So bye.